Sorry. So I don't know if I should be posting this video because this is unfinished. And sometimes I don't finish all of my projects, which some of you might know. But I don't know, this one's turning out pretty nicely. So I was developing a script to be able to place my gizmo with a single click. So what is the point of this? And let's take this example. If I wanted to move that edge straight up in that direction, I would either have to eyeball it or set a new custom orientation, or maybe use a slide like this and then slide backwards that direction, press C to constrain and go that way. So there are ways of doing it. They're just a little bit too involved for my personal preference. But with this script, I could just like click here and then move that way. And that's it. We're done. And optionally, we can also just click to place it and then drag to align it. And there we go. Our gizmo is aligned to that little manipulator that I made. That's just temporary. I don't know. I want to make it look a little bit different. But that's what I have for now. It's actually grabbing colors from the theme, which is such a silly thing, but I think it's kind of cool. What else? So by default, I just have it set it up to just click to move the gizmo, and if I hold down Shift, that's when it starts aligning to the normals of the element we're hovering. And if you click and drag, that's when you place it and align it to a secondary element. So that's what I currently have, but here's the cool part. We're not actually placing the gizmo, we're placing the cursor. That means this works without any gizmos, for those of you that just like using the modal transforms. So I could still just do this, click, place, and then move it without any gizmos at all. If I want to rotate this face downwards, I can do that as well. I can click here, rotate Y. So it works without any gizmos, and in theory that means that this works with third-party gizmos as well, because what we're actually placing when we use this script is the 3D cursor, which I hid temporarily. But that's what we're actually controlling, so it should support everything ideally. There are still a few bugs, but that's what I have so far. And oh, obviously if you click outside, boop, just like in Maya, it resets. And someone shared with me some extra functionality with the pivot in 3ds Max. I was looking at that. There's a lot of cool stuff, but for now I want to keep it as simple as possible because some of that stuff is really cool, but I honestly don't know how to do it yet. But yeah, just wanted to share my progress.